Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to file a mandate tax return in 2025. So now here, as you can see, what you should do is simply go and open TurboTax on your browser, log in into your account, and after logging in, here you will find in this section on the left side, you have Tax Home section. Once you click on it, you can simply search for any amended tax file that you haven't already entered before. So now here, when I click on the search icon on the top right side, here I can find this option. How do I amend my federal tax return for this year? So I'll simply also type here amend, then choose the first option. It will show me here the exact steps. So simply I'll choose the first frequently asked question. And here it tells me exactly how do I amend my return. So it tells you here all these steps. You can go through it. You can tap on this blue link right here and it tells you exactly what to do. Step by step, you'll have to sign in, go to tax home from the menu. We are in it. Then scroll down to your tax returns and documents, select 2024 and then select add a state. You are not actually adding a state. This just gets you back in. So I'm just having an error with the internet right now, but you just have to follow these steps. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.